If you're thinking about buying a new home, be sure to call or text us at 904-NEW-HOME before you build. Why? Because we're new home specialists and we can save you an extra 2% on any new home. Did you know that any home builder will pay for you to use your own realtor? There's no extra charge to use our free service. Plus, we split our commission with you. If you're not already using a realtor, don't leave money on the table. Just 2% may not sound like much, but on a $400,000 home, that's an extra $8,000 refund from us, in addition to all the builder incentives and promotions. We've worked with new home buyers at Beachwalk, Beacon Lake, Celestina, Nocatee, Rivertown, Shearwater, and many other communities in Jacksonville, St. John's, and St. Augustine. If you're thinking about buying a new home, be sure to call or text us at 904-NEW-HOME before you build.